So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy XRP on KOHO Financial. So once the KOHO Financial app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press home. Then in this top bar where it says spend, credit, borrow, save, invest, press on invest. And then where it says explore crypto, select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can try to find XRP on the most popular page. So for me, it's right here. If you don't see it, go to where it says see all, and you can either type in XRP at the top or just find it once again. So I'm going to go ahead and select XRP. Once you're here where it says buy, I want you to go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen where if you don't have a crypto account, which I don't in this case, you have to sign up for one. But once you have one signed up for, you can go ahead and continue on with the purchase of XRP this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy XRP on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.